Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a Charles Schwab ETF. First, you need to set up a Charles Schwab brokerage account if you do not already have one. Visit the Charles Schwab website and click on the Open an Account button. Follow the prompts to provide your personal information and funding sources. After your account is set up, you will receive confirmation via email that your account is active. Once your brokerage account is open, you can log into your account. Navigate to the trading section of the website or app. Here, you can search for the specific Charles Schwab ETF that you want to purchase. You can find the ETF by typing its name or ticker symbol in the search bar. Make sure to review the details of the ETF, including its performance, holdings, and expense ratio. When you are ready to buy, select the ETF and click on the Trade or Buy button. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase and specify the type of order you wish to place, such as a market order or limit order. Make sure to confirm all the details before submitting your order, including the investment amount and order type. After you place your order, you will receive a confirmation that it has been executed. You can track your investment by going to your account's portfolio section. Always remember to monitor your ETFs periodically to stay updated on their performance and make informed decisions about your investments. Thank you for watching and happy investing.